Look at this glossy chili chicken gravy. One bite and you'll want to make it again and again. This restaurant style chili chicken is juicy, saucy and incredibly easy to make at home. अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। So today I am sharing a restaurant style chili chicken gravy. Soft, juicy chicken coated in thick, glossy sauce with crunchy onions. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken. Nicely wash and drain it. And to this add 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of Maida, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well and leave it aside for half an hour. You can also add red liquid food color if you prefer to. I have added a little. This is completely optional. After half an hour, we have to fry the chicken. So to fry, keep the oil on to heat. Fry the chicken in batches. Fry till light golden brown. Remove and keep aside. Fry on low to medium flame. Now let's prepare the gravy. So for the gravy, you can use the oil that you had fried chicken in and in the same pan as well. So to this oil, add 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger finely chopped. Saute for a few seconds and then add onion petals from 2 large onions. Saute for a few seconds. We need them crunchy. We don't want them to overcook. Now let's add the sauces. Add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce, half a teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon more of salt, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, and water or chicken stock around 1.5 cups. Mix well, and at this point you can add capsicum. I have taken 1 large capsicum cut into cubes. Capsicum is also optional. If you don't like, don't add. No problem. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this add cornflour slurry. I have made cornflour, 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Also add red food color at this point. Red food color is completely optional. Cook until thick, glossy and shiny on medium flame. Now add the fried chicken. Mix well. Add a cup of water, cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Restaurant style chili chicken is now ready to serve. Serve hot with fried rice, noodles or even parota. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients and method as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.